In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Revolut business account and reopen. Before we start, a quick but crucial note. Once your Revolut business account is closed, you won't be able to access it again. That means no login, no history, no statements. So before doing anything else, download and save any statements or records you might need for accounting, audits, tax filings, or future reference. Keeping a local copy now will save you a lot of trouble later. To close the account, you'll need to meet a few requirements. First, you must be the account owner. If you don't have the right permissions, the option to close the account won't appear. Next, make sure your overall balance is exactly zero across all your accounts. That includes every currency wallet, any crypto holdings, and your merchant balance. A good way to check is to tap your balance and review the full list of currencies and your merchant section so nothing gets missed. If you're down to a very small leftover amount that's hard to withdraw, you can send the remaining funds to another Revolut account, either personal or business. Just make sure everything lands at zero. Also, take a moment to confirm there are no pending transactions. Refunds, card payments that haven't settled, or incoming transfers still in flight can block the closure. If you've ordered any metal cards within the last 3 months, ensure those charges are fully paid as well. One more clarification, you can't close your default currency sub-accounts individually. Don't worry, when you close the business account itself, those will be handled as part of the process. When you're ready to close, open the app or web. Go to Settings by tapping your account icon on mobile in the top left, or click the cog icon on the web in the top right. Choose Business Account, scroll down, and select Close Business Account. You'll be asked to pick a reason for closing. Go ahead and select the one that best fits. If you've met all the conditions we just covered, the account usually closes instantly. In some cases, it may not close right away. That can happen if there are pending items, compliance checks, or something else that needs a quick review. You'll be notified if that's the case, and you can check back once the issue is resolved. If you later decide to return, reopening typically means creating a new account, just like you did the first time. Be prepared to go through the standard onboarding again and keep your saved statements handy for continuity.